was the intro to Every Breath You Take by The Police. As you saw, I'm playing it in the open position in the key of G. If you want to play along with the original by The Police, you need to put a capo on the 2nd fret and play with the same fingering then. The Police, actually, Andy Summers plays it in the 5th position, but there's a lot of stretching. It's easier to play it in the open position and quite effective. Now, to the key of G, the chords are G, E minor, C and D, but they're actually a variation on those chords. It's, for example, the G chord, instead of playing G major, we're playing G add 9. Now, there's only 7 notes, as you know, in the major scale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then you go back to the G, which is the 8th note. If we continued on to play into the next octave, and we played 9 notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that's the 9th note, and to play G add 9, you need to play the G chord but include that 9th note. So the first chord we're playing is G add 9, and the fingering for it, we fret the 3rd fret of the 6th string and the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. That note is actually A. Now, the picking pattern, we're picking 8th notes, and we play each of the 8 notes in a bar, and we count it as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and again we're picking the bass note, the root note, with our thumb, 1, then we pick the 4th string, 3rd string, 4th string, 1 and 2 and then we introduce the 2nd string with the 3rd finger on the picking hand. So we play the 2nd string, 3rd string, 4th string, 3rd string, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Then we change chords, and the next chord is E minor, but again it's E minor add 9. E minor is this chord. To add 9 we play this chord shape, and again the picking pattern is, the picking rhythm is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and our thumb is playing the 6th string but also the 5th string for this chord. 1 and 2 and the first 4, 1 and 2 and then we go to the 3rd string, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3rd, 4th, 5th, 4. Again, that chord is played twice. Next we go to C, but again it's C add 9, and to play C add 9 it's the regular C chord, but you put your pinky on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. That's the chord as it's strummed. And to pick here, we're going to pick the 5th string again, that's the root note for the chord. 1 and 2 and for the first half of this bar we play C9, C add 9, 1 and 2 and 5th string, 3rd string, 2nd string, 3rd string, and then we remove the pinky and we're playing the regular C. So it's 3 and 4 and for the second half. 1 and 2. Play that chord once. The next chord in the sequence is D, but this again is D add 9. So to play the D add 9 chord, you simply remove your second finger from the first string. And the picking pattern this time, we pick the 4th string, which is the bass string, the root note with the thumb. And then we pick the 3rd string. 4th, 3rd, 1st, 3rd, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 3rd. And then we return to the G add 9. Okay, we'll go through the full intro, playing it at a nice slow tempo. 3, 4.